Want to fix the You're Offline error in Google Play Store? This usually happens because of a weak Wi-Fi signal, mobile data problems, or a glitch in the Play Store app. No need to worry, here's a simple way to get this issue solved quickly. Before starting, check your internet connection. Toggle Wi-Fi/mobile data. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Turn Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If using mobile data, turn mobile data off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Corrupted data in the Play Store app can often cause connectivity issues. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. Solution 2. Tap Clear Cache and Data for Google Play Services. Google Play Services is a background app essential for the Play Store's function, including connectivity. Open your phone settings, go to Apps or Apps Notifications, find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage, and then clear all data. Solution 3. Reset network settings. This will reset all network to their default settings. You'll need to reconnect your Wi-Fi networks and afterwards. Open the Settings app, tap More Connectivity Options, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Now simply tap Wi-Fi or mobile data. It will reset your network. That's all. Trying one of these steps will get rid of the You're Offline error in Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.